Rotary Bangalore Cantonment, or RBC, chartered in 1984 and built on the core values of service, leadership, integrity, diversity and fellowship, is today one of the most respected Rotary clubs in Bangalore and in Rotary District 3190. The over 60 committed and dedicated member team, led by the President and assisted by the Board of Directors, operates on the established mandates of Rotary International, categorized into the service avenues of community services, vocational services, youth services, and international services. RBC service projects have consistently worked towards education, literacy and skill development, medical aid and healthcare, empowerment of women and youth, economic and community development, and strengthening international relationships. Rotary School, Chennapatna. The Rotary School at Chennapatna under RBC's management since 2011 has been transformed from a middle school with 80 students to a full-fledged high school today of over 400 students. The school, with a well-equipped library, science lab and computer lab, provides high-class education to the students in the rural area. Fee concessions are provided every year to students from economically challenged families. With a vision to increase the school's capacity to 1,000 students, RBC plans to move the school to a larger campus in the nearby vicinity. Rotary Cantonment Pre-Primary School, Lingarajpuram, Bengaluru. The Rotary Cantonment Pre-Primary School, established at Lingarajpuram in October 2019, imparts free education to students hailing from nearby underprivileged families. The school, housed in a fully renovated building and embellished with modern classroom furniture, teaching aids, play equipment, and trained faculty, also provides books, uniforms, and nutritious midday meals free of cost. A passionate and professional team of educationalists and a dedicated team of Rotarians monitor the functioning of the school. Navjeevan Nilaya Vocational Training Center, Marathalli, Bengaluru. The Vocational Training Center at Marathalli, established in association with Mali Foundation, focuses on empowering women from economically weaker sections. The center's advanced training in tailoring and beautician courses is constantly updated by a specialized team of trainers. All trainees are provided with sewing machines and startup beautician kits to enable them to launch their careers. The tailoring and beautician courses has made a positive impact on the lives of over 1,300 women. Paper Bag Manufacturing Project, Langford Town, Bengaluru. The vocational training centers at Langford Town and Kothanur, established in January 2020, empower senior citizens from economically weaker sections to be financially independent. The center, operating in association with Nightingale's Medical Trust, now provides training in paper bag manufacturing to 35 senior citizens. The surplus generated from the sale of these bags are fully distributed among the participants. Rotary Bangalore Cantonment plans to extend this project to other centers across Bangalore to empower over 100 senior citizens in the next year. Project Hope, Kidwai Memorial Institute of Oncology, Bengaluru. Project Hope, launched in 2013, aims at helping leukemia-afflicted pediatric patients by providing bone marrow aspiration needles free of cost. Since the launch of the project, more than 4,500 needles at a cost of over 64 lakh rupees have been provided for. A sophisticated pediatric respirator, facilitated through the CSR grants from Cognizant Technologies and Syndicate Bank, has also been provided by RBC in the children's ward. An apheresis machine has been installed at Kidwai Institute from the CSR grant of ADC Comscope, and RBC sponsors every kit used in the process of separation of blood components. This project instills hope in the children by leading them out of darkness and into light. Rotary Rural Health Center, Kakaramanhalli, Bidadi. In association with the well-known Raja Rajeshwari Medical College and Hospital, Rotary Bangalore Cantonment has established a rural health center at Kakaramanhalli near Bidadi to provide high-quality healthcare facilities and services. The center offers free health check and free basic medication to the citizens in the area. The center also conducts health camps for women every fortnight to promote their well-being. Health awareness and education seminars conducted aids people to get an insight into healthy lifestyle practices. Housed in the Rotary Centennial Building, the Rural Health Center is not only a boon to the locals, but also enables trained doctors from Raja Rajeshwari Medical College and Hospital to practice community medicine in the true sense. Microfinance for women's self-help groups, Nelligudda. The microfinance project of RBC has empowered members of various self-help groups to earn their livelihood, improve their financial stability, and secure a future for their families. The members of the self-help groups are trained to manage the funds by following a simple set of rules to get the best of financial resources provided. The success of the scheme can be measured by the fact that the loans, totaling to nearly 20 lakh rupees, has been recovered 100% every year since its inception. Youth Empowerment. Rotary Youth Leadership Awards, or RYLA, an initiative of Rotary International, is being conducted by Rotary Bangalore Cantonment over the past 35 years. Rotarians, spouses, and other individuals known to the members volunteer to impart basic skills and methodology in various aspects of personality development to the youngsters. The 3-day residential camp fosters a conducive environment to develop leadership skills, personality development, and in realizing their true potential. Senior Citizens Welfare. Rotary Bangalore Cantonment has established the first Senior Citizens Club in Rotary District 3190. The club, with over 120 members, provides the senior citizens in the vicinity with a platform for interacting and socializing to remain active.
The first project was a housing project in Bidadi, just outside Bangalore. We provided houses for over 150 landless families, as well as space enough for a garden, which is full of fruit trees and flowers. The second project was with cured leprosy patients in Navajeva Nilaya who needed some time to acquire livelihood skills. We not only helped to provide them with skills, we also brought a team from Canada to embellish their skills in arts and crafts. The third project was a forestry project in a very dry area in Kolar. We started this project and today it covers about 5 kilometers of forest thanks to our collaboration with an NGO and with the forest department. The lesson from all our work is that if the Rotary wants to do any program on scale and for a long time, they have to partner with others.
The club has always done projects which are very relevant to the community of the cantonment area. One such very significant project in the year 1984 was the rejuvenation of the Ulsor Lake. In 1985, we filed a public interest litigation against the Bangalore Water Supply and Sewerage Board for supply of potable drinking water. We continue to do such relevant projects to the community through the discipline, teamwork, and the professionalism demonstrated by the members of the Rotary Club of Bangalore Cantonment.
All projects of RBC are managed by the Bangalore Cantonment Rotary Trust, or BCRT, which is the service arm of the club. BCRT is registered as a charitable trust and is also registered with the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, to receive foreign donations. All contributions are exempt under Section 80G of the Income Tax Act. BCRT provides reports to donors in line with CSR reporting norms, and our projects have made a positive impact on the lives of more than 5 lakh people. Rotary Bangalore Cantonment's fulfillment is being part of building the society. So join our journey, and together let's make a difference by transforming people's lives and leaving a lasting imprint.